Artoonza.
OMG, nail polish on a fire truck! Don't worry, we didn't call the art police. Today, we're drawing the coolest, sparkliest, most glitterified fire truck the world has ever seen. Wow. We'll outline with black markers, bedazzle it with glitter, clean the mess with our tiny vacuum friend, who may or may not be a little too dramatic. And yes, dab some top secret nail polish magic. Don't tell my mom. Add a splash of acrylic paint raindrops and brush it all into a red-hot masterpiece.
Aww,
Sound wild?
So cute.
It is. Let's roll out the Sparkle Truck Squad. This is so amazing. Give us your like. Oops, I glittered outside the lines again. Blame the brush. This is better. This fire truck is hotter than my mom's hairdryer. Warning, excess glitter may cause spontaneous dance moves. No. I'm not telling, but it's totally worth the wait. Wow. Why is my vacuum more dramatic than me?
Aww, so cute.
Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Red. Let's color together. Yellow. This is so amazing. Black. Color. Give us a big thumbs up. Black glitter nail polish. Shh. Never tell my mom. You know it's serious art when nail polish gets involved. Yellow nail polish. Oops, did I just paint a siren with nail polish? Don't tell my mom! Color. This is so amazing.
Aww, so cute.
Don't be shy, color high. Color. Smash that like button now. Oops! If anyone asks why there's nail polish everywhere, let's just say art happened. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.